From the NASDAQ market site, I am with CEO of Moneygram, Pam Patsley. Thank you so much for joining us in New York.
Thank you. It's great to be here. Fun day for Moneygram.
Yes, congratulations on the opening bell.
Yes.
So pricing pressure has been a real key theme in the industry, particularly with Walmart deeply discounting. Let's talk about market share and growing margins.
Okay, perfect. We love growing market share and we love expanding margins. So we are focused on both. And Moneygram has about 5% of the global cross-border remittance market, and we are focused on continuing to grow that. Over the last 5 years, we've more than doubled it.
Alternative channels are also a hot topic within the industry. Explain to us what that is.
Alternative channels to Moneygram means things like sending through online, Moneygram online, the internet, using a mobilized application. It means using a kiosk as opposed to a person face-to-face and staging your transaction, just paying. So self-service is really what we use as the terminology to encompass all alternative channels.
Now the environment's getting more competitive, particularly with new IPO yesterday, Zoom coming on board. Yeah. What are plans to, why are you the best in the industry? Why are customers using you?
I think we have a brand message that resonates with our consumer. I think the 321,000 agent network locations around the world and growing, convenience is so important. And we like to say we want to develop our product and services that any way a consumer wants to send money to any way a consumer wants to receive. So that can be online to cash or online to a bank account or just cash to cash.
Switching to Wall Street now, let's talk a little bit about the balance sheet and growth. Where are we reinvesting? Are we buying new businesses? Are we looking to acquire?
We are really focused on organic growth. I would say there are a few maybe product solutions and things, maybe we call them tuck-in opportunities. We're not looking for anything really big right now. There's so much opportunity just continuing to stay focused, do what we do, invest in product, invest in these new alternative channels.
And that's what we like to see as shareholders. We certainly want to unlock that value by growing. A lot of shareholders want to know, are you possibly going to reinstate that dividend?
Well, we have just had a great opportunity to reposition our balance sheet at the end of March. So as you might have seen, we had some very expensive subordinated notes, 13.25%. So we were thrilled to put a new senior credit facility in place, get rid of those second lien notes, and that generated $28 million in annual cash interest savings just through that initiative at the end of March. So it is all about shareholder return and value creation for shareholders. So we're looking at everything.
And finally, is there a big social media initiative attached to what Moneygram does?
There is. Our consumer, as I said, resonates with our brand and they love to interact with us. And we sponsor cricket. If we take cricket, it's one of the world's biggest sports, particularly for an important segment of our consumer. And so our Facebook page for cricket is some of the highest conversation page on Facebook today.
Okay, well, congratulations on listing with the NASDAQ.
Thanks. Great to be here.